Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. In this video, I will be reviewing the Aquasana SimplySoft salt-free water softener. This product is highly regarded in the market, but I wanted to find out if it truly lived up to its reputation. After using it for some time, I can confidently say that the Aquasana SimplySoft is a solid option for those looking for a salt-free water conditioning system. The Aquasana SimplySoft is designed to reduce scale buildup without the use of salt or harsh chemicals. It uses a conditioning technique called nucleation-assisted crystallization (NAC), which effectively inhibits scale without compromising water quality. One of the standout features of this system is its low-maintenance operation. With a conditioning media lifespan of 6 years and a simple sediment water filter replacement, you won't have to worry about constant upkeep. In terms of performance, the Aquasana SimplySoft handles water hardness up to 25 grains per gallon (GPG), although it's recommended to use it for hardness levels up to 15 GPG. With a flow rate of up to 7 gallons per minute (GPM), it should be sufficient for small to medium families with moderate water usage. The media lifespan of 600,000 gallons, estimated to last around 6 years, offers good value for the upfront cost of the system. Installation of the Aquasana SimplySoft may require a professional to maintain the warranty, but the process itself is relatively straightforward. It comes with an installation kit, and the user manual provides clear instructions. Maintenance is minimal, with the only regular task being the replacement of the sediment pre-filter when necessary. The conditioning media needs to be replaced after approximately 6 years, and Aquasana can assist you in purchasing the replacement. It's important to note that the Aquasana SimplySoft is a water conditioner, not a filtration system. Its purpose is to prevent the effects of water hardness, rather than filtering the water. If you're looking for both conditioning and filtration, Aquasana offers the option to combine the SimplySoft with their Rhino whole house water filter system. Now, let's discuss what I liked and didn't like about the Aquasana SimplySoft. One of the standout features for me was that it doesn't use salt. This means that you won't have to consume sodium in your water or experience the slippery feel associated with salt-based softeners. Additionally, the SimplySoft retains healthy minerals while effectively inhibiting scale buildup. The warranty and guarantee provided by Aquasana are also commendable. With a 6-year limited warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, you have peace of mind knowing that the product is backed by the manufacturer. On the downside, the SimplySoft doesn't remove hardness minerals from the water like traditional water softeners do. This means that you won't experience all the benefits of soft water, such as improved lathering with soap or the potential benefits for your hair and skin. Additionally, professional installation is required to maintain the warranty, which adds an extra cost. One limitation of salt-free conditioners, in general, is the inability to measure their performance accurately. Since they don't remove hard minerals from the water, it can be challenging to gauge their effectiveness compared to salt-based water softeners. In conclusion, the Aquasana SimplySoft salt-free water softener is a reliable option for those seeking a salt-free water conditioning system. With its effective scale inhibition, low maintenance operation, and solid performance, it can be a valuable addition to your home. Just keep in mind that it doesn't offer the full benefits of traditional water softeners and that professional installation is required to maintain the warranty. If these factors align with your needs, the Aquasana SimplySoft is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.